Hello, welcome to a new session. Today I'm going to explain how to handle your links, the external links in the Excel while you are opening at a third party location. Suppose I will, first of all, I'll go to my Excel and will turn the formulas to automatic. Okay, now what is happening sometime a unit will send a file to you which will be links with that particular software in that company, and they will send it to you. So once they send it to you and you open it, automatically the software is not on your system and it's not linked to the system. So once you open it, all the numbers go error. So it will show error to you. So what you can do, you cannot do anything with that Excel, and you cannot trace that by doing anything, by copying paste or somewhere. So nothing will happen. So the only way to handle is I will teach now. See, now I can see these are the external links which is coming from one of the software which was in the unit. So now I receive the file and there is nothing, no numbers, so the numbers are all gone. So now what can I do? I can turn this to the manual, but it will not work because it's already run one time and then everything is gone. So I will convert it to the manual, and then I will close it. I will not save it and close it. Okay. So I have another Excel open over here in my system. I will make it sure that it's on manual. So now I will go and open the same PNL. Okay, and once I open it, it will be the numbers will be there. Before, when I open it, my system was an automatic, my Excel was an automatic, so it was an error over there. Now the numbers are there. So now I got the numbers. So, and my Excel is an manual. So if I turn it automatic, the numbers will again will run away. So what I can do, I can go. So if I want to save it on my system and not to face this issue again and again, I will go to the data, and then here it's edit links. So I will edit. Actually, I know the link. So this is the link. Even you can remove all the links. Your numbers will not go anywhere. So you can break this link. I will break the link and then close, and then I will close the Excel as well, and I will save it. So I don't know, maybe there are some other circular errors, but it's fine. It will save. Okay, now I can turn my Excel to the automatic even, and then close it. Even no need to close this one. I will open the same sheet again. It's a heavy sheet, actually. It's one of the PNL of the company, so it's a comprehensive file, so it's taking time. Okay, so now once I open it, there will be numbers. Okay, all the numbers are there, and if you go to the data, there is no links. Even I can remove all the other links as well. No problem, it will not create any issue for me, because already it's saving the numbers. It will convert the numbers from the link to the straight away the numbers format. If you can go here and you see here, it will be a number format. The formula is removed, but here your formula will be there. And sometime what people are doing, they will just select like this in control C and then alt ESV. So what you will do, alt ESV, so what will happen, all your formulas, even your PNL basic formulas, will run away. So this is one of the good way to not to do alt ESV, like copy paste on as a numbers on every sheet. So it will take your time. So this is the best way to delink all the external links and then save your Excel, and you can open it anytime. You will see the numbers. Thank you very much.